Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So here I am with the third part of our solutions of model question paper. In the first part I explained about MCQs and 1 marks question. In second I have explained the 2 marks question, and here I will be solving all the questions asked in the 3 mark section. Okay, so if you have not seen the previous videos yet, you can watch them. Link is provided in the description box, and if you find this video useful, do press the like button and also don't forget to share it with your friends. Okay, so without wasting much time, let us start with the question number 25. Okay, so this is the question. Prove that the tangents drawn to a circle from an external point are equal. Okay, so this is a theorem from the chapter circles. Okay, so I have already made a video on the tangents circle. I will do one thing. You can find this answer link in the description box and watch it from there. Okay, we'll directly move to question number 26. So here is our question number 26. Find the mean of following data by direct method. Okay, so they have given class, interval, frequency, and in exam after writing these two table you have to write one more, which is known as class mark. Okay, class mark x, which is equal to upper limit plus lower limit by 2. Okay, in exam you can directly write x. Okay, so how are you going to find 10 and 30? 10 plus 30 is 40 by 2, that is 20. It means the middle number of 10 and 30, it is 20. Here it will be 40, and next will be 60. Here it will be 80, right? And the next table you have to write fx. You have to multiply this frequency f and this x. So 20 into 2 is how much? 40. 40 into 6 is 240. Then it is 60 into 10 is 600, and at last 80 into 2 is 160. So you have to add them 0, and this is 14, and here 6 7 8 9 10, 1040. This is what sigma means, sum of all this fx, which is equal to 1040, and here you will get n or sigma f, both are same. Sigma f or n, both are same. How much is this? 10 plus 10 is 20. So now mean formula apply. Mean, that is x bar, is equal to sigma fx by n. Sigma fx is 1040 divided by n is how much? Yes, it is 20. So on solving this, you will get 2 5s are 10 and 2 2s are 4. So therefore the value of mean is 52. You can write it like this. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now moving to, you have a OR question also. Moving to that one. Yes, so this is your OR question. Find mode of the scores, okay, in the following data. So what is mode? The most repeated value, correct? So since they have given the CI, class, interval and frequency, you have to use the formula of mode. So let me write it. Mode is equal to, what is the formula? L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Okay, now what is this L? L is the lower limit of model class, and model class is the one whose frequency is high. So this is our model class. You can write it here. Model class is which one? 3 to 5, and lower limit is 3, so that's become L. Now what is f1, f0 and f2? So f1 is the frequency of model class, which is equal to 9. f0 is the frequency previous to that, which is equal to 6, and f2 is frequency next to that model class, which is equal to 2. And you have h is the size. So size is how much? 3 minus 1, which is 2. Okay, here now substitute the values. L is 3 plus F1 is how much? Yes, 9 minus 6 divided by 2 into F1 is 9 minus F0 is 6 minus F2 is 2 into H. What is H? 2. So 3, keep it as it is. Here you see 9 minus 6 is 3 divided by 9 2s are 18 minus 6 and 2 are 8. So 18 minus 8 is 10 into what is this? 2. So this when you solve, this becomes 3 2s are 6 by 10. What is 6 by 10? It is 0.6. So you'll get the answer as 3.6. What is this? Yes, this is mode. Okay, so it's very simple. You can easily solve, and always try to solve the bracket first. Okay, then only you have to multiply this, and at last add this. Got it? Yes. So moving to next question, question number 27. Okay, so question number 27 is from trigonometry. You have two questions. Okay, I'll be solving both of them here. 4 sine, let me write it, 4 sine 30 degree plus tan 48 degree into, okay, there is into, not minus, they've given dot, it means into tan 42 degree minus 3 tan 45. Okay, so you know the value of sine 30 as well as tan 45, correct? But do you know the value of tan 48 and tan 42? No. So here you have to use complementary. Whenever they give angle other than 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90, use the complementary rule. Okay, so let me substitute now. 30 is how much? 1 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 plus, see, this I will change it into this tan 48. Let me keep it as it is. But tan 42, can I write it as cot of 90 minus 42? Correct? Because cot of 90 minus 42 is what? Tan 42. Okay, therefore I have written like this, and here 3 into tan 45 is 1. So on solving this, you will get 2 ones are 2 2, so you will get 2 here plus, now see here, tan 48 into, what is this? Cot 90 minus 42 is 48 minus 3 ones are 3, so 2 plus, if I write this, can I write tan 48 as it is and cot as 1 by tan 48? Right, I can write this. Why? Because they are reciprocal of one another. This is 3. So now these two will get cancelled. We'll get 2 here. So 2 plus 1 minus 3, which is equal to 3 minus 3, and that is equal to 0. So this is the answer. I hope it is clear. Moving to the OR question now. Yes, so the OR question is similar to that. 6 cos 60 degree minus sine 30 degree plus sine square 45 plus cos square 45. Okay, so here and here you can't do anything, but if you look at these two, are they not equal to sine square theta plus cos square theta? Yes. So what is the value of that? 1, because theta is same here, 45 and 45, so you can directly write there 1. So cos 60 is how much? It is 1 by 2, right? Minus sine 30 is again 1 by 2, and here directly write 1. So on solving this, how much will you get? This is 3, right? And 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 minus 1 by 2. So 4 minus 1 by 2, you can write it, if you take LCM, this becomes 2, and this is 4 2s are 8 minus 1, so this is 7 by 2. You can leave it as it is, or on doing the division you'll get 3.5. okay, so either you write up to here or till here, you'll get the full marks. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now moving to question number 28. So here is question number 28. Yield of coconuts grown in a village by 15 farmers is as follows. Draw less than type ogive. Okay, so they have given the number of coconuts here, the data is given, and cumulative frequency is also given. So directly you can plot the graph. How? I will tell you. So in this y-axis you have to always take cumulative frequency. Let me write here in short form, but you write it in the full form, cumulative frequency. And here In the x-axis there will be always limits. Okay, that is, which one is this? Upper limits. But write whatever they have given here, number of coconuts, number of coconuts. Okay, this is x-axis. If you look at this, the values are 50, 75, 100, 125. What is the gap? It is 25, correct? Gap between two numbers is 25. So you have to write scale here along. This is very important. X-axis, you are taking one unit as how much? 25, right? And along y-axis, you are taking one unit as how much? Look at y value, 2, 4 till 15. So you can take just 2. Okay, so let me write here, this is 50 starting with 0, directly 50, then 75, then 100, 125. After that you can write it further. This is 150, next 175, and this is 200. Okay, that's all. In y you can write like this: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. Till 16 you can write because you have value till 15, so one extra is enough. 16, this is y. Okay, now if you look at the data, see, when it is 650, the cumulative frequency is 2, so at 50 you have to mark it at 2. Next 75, 4, so 75 is here, 4 is here. Okay, so from this side and this from towards right side. Next 100, 9. So attack on x-axis, look at 100, and on y look at 10. So 8, 10, 100 is here somewhere, it will come over here. Next is 150, 11. 150, 11 will be between these two. So at 125 it is, at 150 it is 111, right? 50, 75, 100 is over. Sorry, it is 9, so it will come near to this. For 125 it is 10, correct? So it will come over here. This will be little lower. 150, 11. 150 is 11. Somewhere over here. 175, 13. It will come somewhere over here. And then 215. It will come somewhere over here. Okay, the third one is 100 is 9. 100 is 9. It will come somewhere in between these two. Okay, so if you draw it on graph and then join it in freehand, 125 is 10. 150 is how much? 11. Okay, so just join it using freehand, you will get a graph like this. Okay, join it and you have to mention it here as less than ogive curve. That's all. Okay, there's no need of joining it with scale, just draw in freehand. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Moving to the next question. Coming to question number 29. What does it says? The slant height of frustum of a cone is 4 cm and the perimeters of its circular ends are 18 cm and 16 cm. Then find the curved surface area of the frustum of the cone. Okay, so if you can draw a figure, rough figure. Okay, this is a frustum. Imagine this is a frustum. Okay, this is a first base, bottom base, and this is the top base. What they have given, the slant height, this is called as slant height. It is denoted by L, which is 4 cm. Perimeters of its circular ends are 18 and 16, so I will take this as 18 and the smaller one is 16. What is it? Perimeter. So let this be P1 and this be P2. So what is the formula of perimeter? It is 2 pi r, correct? So what will be P1? It will be 2 pi r1 because this is radius 1 and this is the radius 2. So substitute here, 2 pi r1 is equal to 18. So as per this, r1 is how much? 18 by 2 pi, which is equal to 9 by pi. Got it? This is r1. Now similarly you have to get r2. P2 is 2 pi r2. So they have given P2 how much? 16. So therefore P R2 will be 16 by 2 pi, which is equal to 8 by pi. Okay, so we have R1 and R2. Now CSA you have to find. What is the formula of CSA? Yes, it is CSA of first term is pi into R1 plus R2 into L. So pi, keep it as it is. Here R1 is 9 by pi plus R2 is 8 by pi into L. What is L? Yes, it is 4. So on solving, see, here pi will be taken common, okay, and the numerator remains the same into 4. So now here pi gets cancelled. Here 9 8, how much? 9 plus 8 is 17 into 4. What is 17 into 4? 17 4s are 68, correct? So this is the answer, but they have asked CSA, so this should be in centimeter square because radius and length they all are in centimeter. Got it? So this is the answer. CSA is 68 centimeter square. I hope it is clear. Moving to the OR question. So what have they given? See, a toy is in the form of a hemisphere, so mounted on a cylinder of height 10 centimeter as shown in the figure. You can see the figure here. If the radius of cylinder is 3.5, find the volume of the toy. Okay, so this is based on the combination of solid figure. So you have a cylinder here, correct, and a hemisphere on its top. So they have asked to find the volume of this toy. So the total or else the volume of toy will be what? It will be volume of hemisphere plus volume of what is this cylinder, correct? So you can find them separately or together also it is okay. Volume of hemisphere, what is the formula? It is 2 by 3 into pi r cube, correct? Since the radius is same for both hemisphere and cylinder, you can write like this. And here volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Now what in all you can take common? You can take common pi as well as r square. The remaining part will be 2 by 3 into what is r, that will be left here, plus what will be left here? It is just h. So keep pi as it is, or you can write it as 22 by 7 into what is r? R is given as 3.5. So 3.5 square. Here also 2 by 3 into 3.5. Okay. Plus h. What is h? Yes, it is 10. So write it. Now on solving this, see how to solve. 22 by 7 into this is 3.5, means 3.5 into 3.5 you can write like this. And here what is this? 3.5 into 2, it is 7, correct? 3.5 into 2 is 7 by 3 plus 10. Okay, so now see, this will get it as 7 5s. Since decimal is there, this will become 0.5. So 22 into 0.5 means half of 22 is 11 into 3.5 into, here if you take LCM, this will be 3, and here 7 plus 10 3s are 30, correct? So this becomes 11 into, this can I write it as 35 by 10, right? Here this is 37 by 3. You'll get something like this. Okay, okay, so can we cancel anything here? Yes, these two can be cancelled. This is 2 5s are, correct, 5 2s are 10, and this is 5 7s are 35. Now this can be simplified as 11 7s are 77 into 37 divided by, how much is this? 3 2s are 6, correct? Now you have to do this. You can multiply this and divide by 6. Okay, so 77 into 37 you have to do. Okay, how much will you get? You can 7 7s are 49, 4 is carry, 7 7s are 49 plus 7 3s are 21. This is how much? 0 7 74, 4 carry, 7 is there, 7 3s are 21 plus 7 is 28. Okay, so this is 2849 by 6 means by 6 you have to do. So this is 6 4s are 6 4, 6 5 is 30, 6 4 is 24, 4 4. So this is 6 how much 9 6 is 59 5 8 7 7 is 42, you'll get 2 9, 6 5 is 30, 6 4 is 24, again you'll get 5.0. So 6 8 is so answer is approximately 474.8. Since it is volume, you have to write it in centimeter cube because they had given the radius and all in centimeter, right? Is it? Where is it? Yes, it was in centimeter, therefore the final answer should be in centimeter cube. Okay, that is very important. So I hope it's clear. Now moving to the next question. So question number 30, what have they given? The sum of 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance if each prize is 20 less than its preceding prize. Okay, find the value of each of the prizes. Okay, so it's from AP. Okay, see, I will explain it like this. Imagine there are 7 members, number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So they all were given some amount and the sum was, okay, it was how much? 700. Means S7 they have given. S7 means total will be 700. Now they had told that key if each price is 20 less than the preceding, okay, 20 less than the preceding. For example, if this guy has got 50, then this has got 20 less means 30, then this 20 less, that is how much? 10. It means if you see the difference, what is the gap? It is minus 20, right? So less, it shows the difference is minus 20. Remember this. And now n is also given, that is total number is 7. What you have to find? Yes, you have to find what was the value of first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. Okay, means a1 a2 a3 and all. So we'll find a first. If you get the value of a, we can get all the rest values. So let us use the Sn formula, which is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute Sn as 700. Here n is 7 by 2, which is equal to 2 into a plus 7 minus 1 into what is d? It is minus 20. So write it properly. So here we will get 700, which is equal to 7 by 2. Now 2 you can transfer to LHS. So it gets multiplied there. And here you will get 2a plus 7 minus 1 is 6 into minus 20. So this is 1400, which is equal to 7. Here you will get 2a plus into minus is minus 120. Okay, so 1400 by 7, which is equal to 2a minus 120. So on solving this, you will get 7 2s, correct? So this becomes 200, which is equal to 2a minus 120. So therefore, if you transfer this to this side, this becomes 200 plus 120, which is equal to 2a. So this is 320, which is equal to 2a. Therefore, 2a is equal a is equal to 320 by 2, and that will give you a is equal to 160. So you got the first value as 160. So what will be the second? Just a plus d. Okay, a is 160. So the next value a2 will be a plus d. Just keep on adding the d, but here d is minus. So 160 minus 20, how much is that? Yes, it is 140. Next will be how much? 120. Next will be 100. Next will be 80, and the next will be 60. Right? 1 2 3 4 5 6, and next is 40. So this is the answer. If you add them, the total sum will be equal to 700. You can check it. Okay, so I hope it's clear. So coming to question number 31st, what have they given? Find the area of triangle ABC whose vertices are A, B and C. They have given the vertices. So let me write the figure here. Okay, A, B and C. This is 2 comma 2, this is 3 comma 4, and this one is minus 1 comma 3. So substitution is very important. Let me take this as x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this is x3 y3. Okay, write the formula and substitute. What is the formula of area of triangle? Half into, writing formula is very important. Okay, it is x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Okay, so on substituting you will get, what is x1? 2, y2 is 4, right? 4 minus 3 plus x2 is 3 into 3 minus 2 plus x3 is how much? Yes, it is minus 1. So write it in bracket, into y1 is 2 minus y2 is 4. Close the bracket. So on solving you will get 4 minus 1 minus 3 is 1, plus 3 into 3 minus 2 is 1, and this is plus into minus, minus 1 into 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 into 2 ones are 2 plus 3 ones are 3, minus into minus plus 2 ones are 2. So this becomes 3 plus 2 is 5, and 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 by 2, which is equal to 3.5. So area of the triangle is this much, 3.5. But since it is area, you have to write square units. This is very important. It should be in square units. Okay, I hope it's clear. Next, coming to the OR question. Yes, so the next question says, find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line joining the points 6 comma 2 minus 2 and 10 comma 8. So what is a trisection? See, if this is the line, okay, this is 6 comma minus 2 and this is 10 comma 8. Trisection means this complete line is divided into 3 equal parts. Okay, so this is one part, this is another. Okay, now here to here a single part, here to here the second, and from here to here third part. All of them are equal, okay, of same length. This is 1, this is also 1, and now this is also 1. So we call them as what? A trisection. So you have to find the points. Like if I name this as A and this as B, so you have to find A as well as B. So how are you going to do that? So see, while taking A, okay, just listen, this will be 6 comma minus 2, A will be here, and this is 10 comma 8. This will be taken as M1, that is 1, and this total is taken as 2, so M2 is 2. Understood? Yes. Now similarly, see, I will write it here only. While taking for B, M1 will be how much? 2 exactly, and M2 will be 1. Okay, because the point is now at B, so this total part is 2 and this part is 1. Got it? This value remains the same, 6 comma minus 2, and this is 10 comma 8. So now you have to use the section formula. Just substitute and solve. So point A, that is x comma y, will be, what is the midpoint, section formula? It is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is the section formula. Now substitute, okay, to find A, the value of A. On substituting, what is m1? 1 into, now here this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay, so 1 into x2 is how much? 10, plus m2 is 2 into x1 is 6 divided by 1 plus 2, comma, here 1 into y2 is 8 plus m2 is 2 into y1 is, yes, it is minus 2. So write it properly, divided by 1 plus 2. Got it? Now solve it. So here we will get 10 plus 6 to the 18 divided by 3, comma 8 minus 2 to the how much? 4 divided by 3. So you will get here answer as how much is this? 18 plus 10 is 28, right? Anything wrong? No. This is 10 and 6 2s are 12. Sorry, this is 12, right? So 22 by 3, and here you will get 4 by 3. So this is the first value. Okay. Now similarly you have to solve the second value, second point B. So B is again, now this will be xy. So xy again using the same formula, just change m1 m2. So the formula will become here 2 into, again this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, y2. So m1 into x2, 2 into 10 plus 1 into 6 divided by again 2 plus 1, comma here m2 is 2 into y1 is y2 is 8 plus 1 into y1 is minus 2, correct? Yes, divided by 2 plus 1. So on solving this you will get 20 plus 6 divided by 3, and here you will get 8 minus 2, 8 to the 16 minus 2 by 3. So here you will get 26 by 3, comma 14 by 3. So these are the 2 points, okay, of the trisection. Got it? I hope it's clear. Now moving to the next question. Question number 32. What does it say? Construct a pair of tangents to circle of radius 4 cm from a point 9 cm away from its center. So what you have to do, you have to just in towards the left side draw a circle of the radius, how much? What is the radius? 4 cm. Okay, you can mark like this, 4 cm. Now they have asked you have to draw the tangents, pair of tangents from 0.9 centimeter away from center. So from here, if this is O, so from O you have to draw a line 9 centimeter. Okay, this total distance is how much? 9. Remember this. Okay, means from here it is 5. So now what you have to do? This total length is 9, correct? Cut arc like this. Use your compass over here, and half of this is how much? 4.5. So more than 4.5, like you can take 5-6 centimeter between the length between the two, this pencil and the needle, and cut an arc. Okay, this from here this side, again from here this side. Now take it O, cut it like this, and join these two intersecting point. Okay, if it is intersecting over here, I'm drawing in freehand, so it will not look great. You can manage it. Now from OA, okay, this two will be the, this line is what now? It is the midpoint of this total length 10. From here, that is point, if I take this as M, OM take radius and construct a circle. Okay, it will touch this end also. Now from this point P is here, join wherever this smaller circle is cut, join there, and again from this join there. So this point is PA and PB, and that is your tangent. PA and PB are your tangents. Got it? So like this you have to draw. These are the pair of tangents. I hope it's clear. Moving to the next question, and this is the last question of the 3-mark section, and this is from the chapter area related to circle. It is also very easy. Okay, so let us start, but before that, if you have understood all the solutions till now, kindly do press the like button, okay, and subscribe also. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. That is my duty, to say that. Okay, see what they have given. In the figure, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeters. So if I draw a square of 14 centimeter, means all the sides are of length 14 centimeter. Okay, with center A, B, C and D, 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touches externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles as shown in the figure. Okay, you can see it. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay, so if you look at here carefully, see what can we do here. Only this area we need to find. Okay, so if I write area of circle, sorry, area of square, what is that? L square. Okay, that will be L square. Now if I subtract this area, okay, how much? This area and this area, this area as well as this, correct? So they are in the shape of what? Yes, they are in the shape of a sector, and all of the sector are of equal length, correct, of equal size. So can I write area of square minus 4 into area of sector? Will I not get this the shaded region area? Yes, I will get. So I will follow the same step. Area of shaded region, okay, is equal to area of square minus 4 into area of a sector. Okay, so area of square is L square minus 4 into, what is area of sector? It is theta by 360 into pi r square. Got it? Now what about radius? Have they given radius? Yes, indirectly it is given. See, if you look at the figure carefully, see here, this total A to B distance is how much? It is 14, correct? Now since it is equally divided, from here to here it is how much? 7, and again 7. So radius is indirectly given as 7. So R is given, that is fine. But what about angle? What is theta? See, since it is a quadrant, if you look at it carefully, the angle will be obviously 90 degree. Okay, so theta is 90 degree. Everything is given, just substitute. So this becomes 14 square minus 4 into 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into r square is 49. So I'll write it directly. So this is how much? 196 minus 4 into, this will get cancelled, 0 0 9 4s. So this is 1 by 4 into, this can also get cancelled, 7 7s are 49. So we'll get 22 into 7. Okay, now just remove the bracket, multiply. See, this 4 and 4 will get cancelled since they are multiplying, and 22 into 7 is how much? 7 to the 14, 1 carry, 7 to the 14, 154. So on solving this, how much will you get? You will get, this is 6 minus 4 2, 9 minus 5 4, 1 minus 1 0. So 42 centimeter square. This is the area of the shaded portion or shaded region. I hope it is clear to you all. Okay, so with this we'll wind up our video, and if you get any doubt, if you have any doubt, you can ask it in the comment section. And if you find this video useful, do press the like button. Okay, and you can give your view, okay, feedback in the comment section. Okay, so see you all in my next video. Till then, take care, bye, have a great time.